For more than a century, America's infrastructure defined its power. Highways that connected coast to coast, railways that built cities, and power grids that fueled industries. But today, that foundation is aging. Roads crumble, bridges rust, and transit systems lag behind the rest of the developed world. So what's next? In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the future of American infrastructure. The technologies, policies, and mega projects that could reshape how we live, work, and move. According to the American Society of Civil Engineers, U.S. infrastructure still scores a C overall. More than 40% of bridges are over 50 years old. Over 1/5 of roads are in poor condition. Water systems leak billions of gallons daily. The cost of inaction, trillions in lost productivity, and thousands of jobs. But for the first time in decades, America is confronting this challenge head-on. In 2021, Washington passed the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, a once-in-a-generation $1.2 trillion plan. It's funding over 40,000 projects, rebuilding bridges, upgrading airports, modernizing power grids, and expanding broadband. $110 billion for roads and bridges, $66 billion for rail, $65 billion for broadband, $55 billion for clean drinking water. It's the largest federal investment in infrastructure since the 1950s Interstate Highway Act. Energy infrastructure is transforming faster than ever before. The U.S. is pivoting toward renewables, solar, wind, nuclear, and hydrogen, aiming for a zero-carbon grid by 2050. Massive transmission lines are being built to connect renewable energy across states. Battery storage plants are stabilizing power for entire cities, and with millions of electric vehicles on the road, the EV charging network is expanding along every major highway. This is more than sustainability, and it's energy independence, an economic opportunity. The next revolution is in how Americans move. California is building the nation's first high-speed rail line. Brightline in Florida is proving private rail can work, connecting Miami to Orlando in just 3 hours. Cities like Phoenix, Denver, and Dallas are expanding light rail and bus rapid transit. Meanwhile, autonomous vehicle corridors and drone delivery systems are being tested from Nevada to North Carolina. Smart infrastructure, powered by sensors, AI, and data analytics, will soon predict traffic jams before they happen. Infrastructure isn't just physical anymore, it's digital. 5G networks, data centers, and AI systems are becoming as vital as roads and bridges. Cities like Austin, Chicago, and New York are integrating sensors into traffic lights, waste systems, and water lines. These smart city grids optimize resources, reduce emissions, and save billions. Imagine potholes reported automatically or traffic lights that sync to emergency vehicles. That's the near future. Every new project must now face a changing climate. From rising sea levels to record heat waves, America is rebuilding with resilience in mind. Coastal barriers are rising in New York and Louisiana. Wildfire-resistant power lines stretch across California. And flood-proof highways are being constructed in Texas and Florida. Rebuilding America means millions of jobs, from welders and electricians to software engineers and designers. Every dollar invested in infrastructure returns about $1.50 to $2 in long-term economic growth. New trade schools, AI-powered construction tools, and robotics are changing how projects are built. Faster, safer, and smarter. The future of American infrastructure isn't just about rebuilding what's broken, it's about reinventing the foundation of the nation itself. Smarter, greener, and more connected than ever. The question now isn't if America will rebuild, it's how boldly we're willing to dream. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. What part of America's infrastructure do you think needs the most attention? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.